Yeah, Ramani is here. We are open for questions, and I would like to actually begin and ask the first question, and a very basic question: what prompted you to want or actually force this conversation on Anand, and what prompted you to set off on this film?
What started this film for me is, of course, a long association with Anand, uh, because I've been knowing him for a long time. I mean, uh, even before I started filmmaking, which is around, which starts with my joining FTI. Even before that, I've known Anand Patwardhan through a lot of my friends. Many common friends were there, and who kept referring to me, saying that, "Have you seen his film? Have you seen his film?" I said no. So, in fact, when I joined FTI, I used to tell in the class that we must bring Anand Patwardhan to our class, and we should talk to him. Because that time there was no practice of bringing documentary filmmakers to the institute. Most of the filmmakers who came were all feature filmmakers. And it did happen that he was around the time he was also making this film called Hamara Shahar, Bombay Our City. And I think he was working also in FTI, right? You did work in the FTI editing room for some time, and then you were around at the time, illegally doing it, and he was around, and we used to play cricket and all that. So there was a kind of a atmosphere where a lot of people hang out in FTI. Like you were there, and there were many people from. One more person is Amol Gupte. He was always there in FTI at the time, and it was so nice to have these people around in that place. So that way, one knows Anand Patwardhan. And when he finally made the film and screened in FTI, I had a huge problem with the film in the sense that something affected me there, and that's the same time I also graduate from FTI, and then I move into documentary films, and everywhere I try to go to some film festival, and Anand is there, and Anand is with his new film, and he has made so many films after that, and I constantly watch his films, and there has been this thought process happening in my mind that what is something is disturbing me about it, and one of the things that I found out was that uh, it is what I felt that when Anand takes up polarities in the film, like he takes up two extreme polarities, which is one is the people who are all in, who are affected, okay, and people who are all affecting. So it is this two polarities that's basically dealing with, and he obviously takes support to the sides with the people who are affected. And I felt that there's a very passionate film happening. There's a lot of disturbing experience that one goes through in the film. I felt that the polarities are only getting more stretched, more stretched. That was bothering me a lot. And when he screened his film War and Peace in the MIF only, MIF International Film Festival. I think it was in NCPA, yeah, NCPA screening. After the screening, again, I felt that quality that, one of the things I felt was that Anand used Gandhi as a reference point in the film, very strongly. He starts the film like that, and in fact, I show that bit earlier. And he ends the film also with using as Gandhi's statement and reference to Gandhi. And for me, the film experience was more, kind of what didactic is the word? Is it didactic is the word? Yeah, more that kind of a construction where you post two opposite extremes together and create a clash, and that clash is taken a bit side here and there, and then of course you take the film forward. And I found that Gandhi, in my understanding of Gandhi had worked with the idea of violence, the resistance and violence very strongly, and he invented a language which is non-violence, which Anand refers in the film. So what is it that we should do when we take up causes which we are affected by, we are disturbed by, and as filmmakers we take up, and there is a certain genuine quality to it when we take up this kind of issues. What is it that we have to discover? What is the language that we have to discover, like Gandhi did? If you use Gandhi as a reference point, what is the reference that we have to discover in our way of fighting things? And I felt I felt that this film is not in congruence with that reference of Gandhi which he uses in the film. That's what actually prompted me to make the film. And in fact, right after the screening, I was there and I went and told him, and even Simantini was also there. And I said, Anand, I want to make a film with you. So he said, no way you will make a film on me. So that's the first statement. And then, because my idea was this, I want to understand this area of how do you fight something with films, you know? Because usually the film itself becomes a trap sometimes. And our we are genuine people, and of course that there is no doubt about all that, but film creates other kind of messages and languages around, and how much are we in control with, or how much we know what is happening, and the idea of image that you create in people's mind, uh, it's a struggle even today. I mean, I don't know the answers, frankly speaking. I don't know the answers, but even today I feel very disturbed by way people talk about affect in a lot of places where people are affected, and brutalities and this, you know, when people show these images, when people shoot and show these images, it disturbs me not because of what has happened there, but more the way people shoot it, the more way people show it. And these are the kind of thing that I want to be engaged with as a filmmaker, as a practitioner of art. And how do we overcome this? How do we fight this? So that's the reason why I wanted to make the film with Anand. Because Anand is doing this kind of a straightforward, you know, he's entering that zone very strongly. And even I want to enter that zone and want to understand with him through that process. So that's when it started. Okay, and that's the idea when 2003, that's when I proposed the film, that was the thought process. And it continued, and then I had to find a way to how to shoot with him because he's saying no. And then I chose this idea that we'll go only to the public events. So just like him going and shoots with all his films, I chose the same tactic and then started the film.